Hello my dear students, I hope you all are well and attending your online classes. Welcome you all in EVS class. In today's EVS class, we will continue with a chapter Safety Rules, which is chapter number 18 in your EVS book. Safety Rules. What is safety? Safety means keeping yourself and others free from harm and danger. Or safety means being safe from danger or getting hurt. Now, let us see what are the safety rules that we should follow at home. Never open doors to strangers. Do not play with fire. Stay away from fire. Do not take any medicine without permission of our parents. Don't use matchstick or lighter while in any vehicle. It is very dangerous. Do not touch or play with sharp objects. They can hurt us. Don't play with sharp tools. Do not touch or play with electric wires, switchboards or plugs. Do not play on the stairs. Do not jump on the bed. Safety rules at school. What are safety rules that we should follow at school? Always move in a line. Don't fight with your friends. Don't jump on desk, table or chairs in the class. Don't push each other on the staircase. Don't use blade to sharpen your pencil. Stand in a queue at the bus stop while boarding the bus. These are some rules that we should follow at school. Safety rules in the playground. Now we will know what are that safety rules we should follow in playground while playing. Always play in a park or playground. We should always wait for our turn to play on the swings or slides in the playground. We should never stand too close to the swings. Don't play outside after dark. Never try to jump from a moving swing. Always play games in a safe way. Never push each other while playing. Road safety. What are road safety? Let us know about some road safety rules. But before that, we must know about traffic lights. Children, now I am going to tell you about the traffic lights. You must have seen the traffic lights on the road, right? Look children, can you see these three colors? These are called traffic lights. Each color indicates something. So, let us see what these colors tell us. At the top, we have red lights. It indicates to stop. In the middle, we have yellow light. It indicates to wait. And at the bottom, we have green light. It indicates to go. On the road, we should follow some safety rules that are: look both ways while crossing a street. Never cross if vehicles are coming. Use zebra crossing only. You see the vehicles are stopped and traffic signal is red. Always step out of your home with your adults or elder person. Always walk on the pavement or on the side of the road. Never stick hands outside the vehicle. Some passing vehicle can harm. Don't lean out or put out hand out of a moving bus. Don't disturb the bus driver. Don't run and play on the road. It led to serious accident. Always wear a seat belt while in a car. It helps against harmful movement like a sudden brake. Wear a helmet while riding two-wheelers. It protects us from injury. We should always hold the hand of an adult while crossing the road. We should cross only when pedestrian light turns green. Here you can see traffic lights and pedestrian lights. In pedestrian lights, there are only two lights, red light and green light. Before crossing, look to your right, then to your left and once again to your right. If the road is clear, cross the road. While crossing the road, we must watch the traffic lights carefully and hold the hand of an adult. The red light says stop. The green light says go. The yellow light says wait. The pedestrian green light tells you to cross the road at the zebra crossing. Safety while swimming. You know, swimming is a fun field activity that keeps us fresh and active. But we must follow some rules while swimming. These rules are: always wear a swimsuit. Swim only in the presence of an instructor or elder. Do not run around the pool. Swim only in fresh water. Avoid drinking pool water. Always bathe after swimming. If you are learning to swim, use swim rings. Do not try to jump or go towards the area where water is deep. Now at last, we will know about first aid. What is first aid? First aid is the help given to an injured person before the arrival of a doctor. Here you can see the first aid kit. These things should have in first aid kit. If a person gets hurt, inform an adult immediately. If the person is not hurt badly, basic first aid helps. A first aid box must be kept in class, at home as well as in the car. At last, I would like to tell you, we should be careful and be safe at home, on the roads, in school, in a bus or in a car, and also while swimming. Do not go out with strangers. If someone forces you to do so, scream at the top of your voice. Do not take anything from strangers. I hope you have understood this chapter. Now let's move towards copy work. Take your scale and draw 2 lines margin. On right side, write classwork and left side, write date. After that, write lesson 18 and add the below name of the lesson, safety rules. Leave one line and start writing difficult words. Again leave one line. Number 1. Sockets. Spelling is S-O-C-K-E-T, socket. This you have to write 4 times. After socket, second, traffic. Spelling T-R-A-F-F-I-C, traffic. This also you have to write 4 times. Third, pedestrian. Spelling P-E-D-E-S-T-R-I-A-N, pedestrian. Write it 4 times. Fourth, pavement. Spelling is P-A-V-E-M-E-N-T, pavement. This also you have to write 4 times. On next page, difficult word number 5. Q. Spelling Q-U-E-U-E. This also you have to write 4 times. After that, leave one line and write answer these questions. Again leave one line. Write question number 1. What do you understand by safety? Answer. Safety means being safe from danger or getting hurt. Draw line. Question number 2. What is first aid? Answer. First aid is the help given to an injured person before the arrival of a doctor. After that, again draw a line. Question number 3. What are the safety rules that should be followed in school? Answer. We should never jump on chairs or table. Number 2. We should never push each other. Number 3. We should never stand too close to the swings. So these are your copy work. You have to write it properly. Take one finger gapping while writing and write neat and clean. Thank you.